What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be fitting some extension leads to the positive and negative terminals on the battery to my other half of the bike, because you have to take the seat apart, panels off the side to get to the battery to be able to jump start it. It would be a lot easier if we didn't have to do that, if we could just lift the rear seat cover off with the key and save ourselves a lot of time when the battery's flat, which happens a surprisingly large amount of time. First things first, remove cover. Well, that was easy. Right, let's get that little toolbox out. This one. Not that one. This one. Yeah. Undo. Oh, balls. There we go. One bolt for the seat. See what I mean? Imagine having to do this in the rain to jump start it. Be a nightmare. Right, same on the other side. Release, and now we have to remove this. Oh, move that out of the way. Not entirely sure what that's for, if I'm going to be honest. It's like a bonnet stay. Is it a seat stay? Is it a tank stay? Nah, that'd be too handy. Oh. If you know what this is for, can you pop it in the comments, because I haven't got a clue. Because it actually has an allocated clip, so it is for the bike. Don't know what it's for. Thanks. Okay, now under here is Bonnet. So what I'm going to do is connect a cable from the positive and a cable from the negative and run them up through underneath here, coming out into this section, which just comes off with the key. So I've got this intelligent battery charger. Came with this cable to connect to the battery with a nice waterproof connector, and it came with these to connect to a battery, to charge a battery. So what I'm going to do, connect these to the battery on the bike, yeah, and then these, well, the charger can then plug straight into the bike, that's long enough to feed under the seat, or I can connect these to the bike and then pop a second battery on to jump start it. Now, where were we? So take off the negative first. The reason for that is if you are taking the positive off first, there is still a circuit with the battery, and if you hit the chassis of the bike or car with your wrench, you're gonna make some nasty sparks. Whereas if you take the negative off first and you touch the chassis whilst undoing it, no harm done, because it's connected to it anyway. Oh. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Who's loosey? Who's tighty? It's looking a bit rusted, so I'm gonna just get some of the old Scotch-Brite in there and just clean up that contact. This side's not too bad. 'Cause I'm shiny! Yes. Nice. So the cable is just long enough to come out here, which allows just about enough access to plug in the charger. Perfect. I've just realised that if you're jump starting using these, there you will have to put the black on the positive and the red on the negative, for the simple reason that the plug means the wires are switched over, because it's not really designed to use for jump starting, FYI. And that's it. I'm going to put the bike back together. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.